Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing required documents and a working mobile number. This saves time. Open the official SSO portal and choose Create Account. Pick the citizen or employee option depending on your status. Enter your full legal name, birth date, and government ID number. Type these exactly as on the document to avoid rejection. Once done, add a personal email for recovery and a mobile number for OTPs, because two-factor verification prevents unauthorized access. Next, focus on the verification forms and document uploads. This is the detailed middle stage. Fill each field precisely, name, date of birth, address, and select the correct ID type, because mismatches trigger manual review. Upload clear images, front and back of your ID plus a recent selfie for facial verification. Follow file type and size limits to avoid upload errors. Then request OTPs, enter them promptly, and review every entry before you hit submit, so the system can. To finish, set a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Record recovery codes in a safe place, because this secures long-term access. Confirm activation by clicking the emailed link or checking the portal notification. Once active, sign in and review your profile details. If verification fails, don't panic. Re-upload clearer documents, ensure file specs match, and retry OTP entry. If issues persist, contact the support center with your reference ID. They can tell you why verification failed and what to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.